She said if you virtual, you probably got yours online, but you can print it out. So is it something you printed out? Words to know. Lesson. So what is it? Did you do it? What's that?
If you on virtual and you don't have it or print it off, what I'm going to do at the end of this session. Hey Isaiah, what I'm going to do. Are you raising your
send me a picture of it to when
yes,
you text
yes, I will send you a picture of it. Yes. I was going to tell you I was going to just upload it in Schoology so that you can pull it from there if need be. And Isaiah, yes, I will send you a picture of it. But in the meantime, what I need for you to do is make sure you are writing the answers on paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Make sure you're writing the answers on paper. And Isaiah, did you get your return? Did you get your return graded assignments?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. One comment to you, Isaiah.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to send both of them to you. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's one.
I got it.
Very good. And that's number 2. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'm letting you should have also, I graded chapter 1, lesson 2. I graded your chapter 1, lesson 2. You should have that already in your possession. But I'm going to focus on chapter 3 and chapter 4. I mean, lesson 3 and lesson 4 for your next test, which will be put out there on Monday. Yeah, it'll be put out there on Monday. Meals on the Move will be scheduled for next week, Monday, the 23rd and Tuesday, the 24th. They just came to my phone. It should have came to your parents' phone also. Can you guys see if I share my screen? Will you be able to see my document? Let me know. Do I need to enlarge? Do I need to step back? I think that's pretty good. What you think?
That's good.
I think that's pretty good. If I need to step back, guess what you need to do? You need to look down. Woo-hoo! On your paper. Same thing. We're looking at the one that says gas, liquids, and solids. We talked about gases, liquids, and solids on yesterday. We talked about gases, liquids, and solids on yesterday. What's a gas? What's a liquid? What's a solid? Can somebody help me out?
A solid is something hard. Liquid is a drink or something, and gas is oxygen or something like that.
Very good, very good, very good. Isaiah, go on, little scientist. Right. Now or run for his money. Yes, I can hear you. Right. So let's look at this definition. Which one is it? Number 1, a substance that has a definite shape and volume. That means it's definite. Go ahead, look, Bill Nice. That's right. So what should you be writing on your paper? Solid. As a rock. Come on. Oh, y'all don't know that song. My bad. Y'all too young. No, we're not repeating ourselves. That's not fin to happen. It's called pay attention so you can hear. Number 2, moving on, little Bill Nice. A substance without a definite volume. Oh, I don't have a definite volume nor shape. What am I?
Gas.
I'm a gas. I'm a gas. I don't have a definite volume nor shape. I'm just a gas. Twitter toots.
Last one, liquid.
Huh?
Last one is liquid.
Oh, well, what is it? What's the definition? What's the clue?
Substance that has a definite volume but no definite shape.
Very good. That sounds like Jacoby. A substance that has a definite volume but no definite shape. That is called a what? Liquid. Very good. I want y'all to remember this. So how are the particles in a liquid? How are the particles? Can somebody describe it?
Like atoms.
No, I'm saying how are they?
They move around slowly.
They moving around slowly. That's because they're what?
Particles.
They're what? If they moving around slow, they're what?
They are.
The temperature.
Temperature. Very good. The temperature. So what's the temperature making the atoms move slow?
It's cold.
They're getting cold. They're getting cold. Now, if they're just sitting there vibrating, they're cold. They're froze. And now they're just, what are you? If you, what are you? You're what? No, what are you? Out of the three, what are you? If you go, and you just sitting there vibrating.
A solid.
There you go, Bill Nye in Miss Molly's room. That means Miss Darby's room. Very good. We are what? A solid. If we just sitting still and we going vibrating, we are a solid because we are frozen. But if we're just doing zoo, 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 what am I? I'm a liquid. What am I? Pew, 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 pew. I'm what? I'm gas. If I'm going pew, 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 bouncing on stuff, I'm gas. But if I'm going, I'm a liquid. Solid is okay. See, I just made a complete nut of myself so you can understand some words. Look at that. But you'll never forget it. These atoms are there shaking and jacking. That's what she's doing. The sad part about it, guess what, baby? It's live on YouTube. Yes, I went live. Let's look at number 4. Can I get someone to answer number 4? There are 3 states of matter. Now, listen now. You got to think back to when I first taught this, okay? There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Is it true? Is it true or false?
True.
Yep. I hear true. I hear false. Why do you say it's false?
There's probably more.
Let me say that's probably more. I need to be concretely honest to know that there's probably more. You said false, so explain me why is there false? Go to your textbook. You're supposed to have your textbook in front of you. Go to your textbook. Go to number 24, page 24. And those that are on virtual, I'm going to show you mine. I said textbook, science textbook. Page 24. Page 24. Not 25, 24. Keep saying 25.
That's one. I told you. Yeah, that's the one I was talking about. You said a key.
Right. How about that?
Okay, so how many is it?
4.
There are how many? Okay, true or false? There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas.
False.
False. If you went to page 24, oh, what? Plasma.
Plasma. Oh.
So the statement is
They're
false
false.
because there is a 4th one called plasma.
Plasma.
Make sure you write it on there. There's a 4th state of matter called plasma.
Write it. Write
Make
it on
sure
your
you
paper.
write false because guess what? This is a question on your test. At some point, you're going to see this question on your test. Okay, moving on. Y'all got that? Plasma is on the board. Plasmas. Plasma. Plasma's in your book. Plasmas. Plasma. Plasma's in your book. Plasma's on the board. Okay, can I move on? Number 5. I'm taking my book back, guys.
No.
Number 5. Dew forming on grass is an example of condensation. Oh, did we talk about some dew yesterday? On this side of the room, I don't want any guys to answer me when I ask questions because you are being very, I don't want to say, but you weren't present yesterday, clearly. So dew forming on grass is an example of condensation. Go into your textbook. Go into your notes. Go into your notes and find the word what? Condensation. Very good. And look and see, did we talk about dew forming on grass is an example of condensation?
Read, she said. Put your mask on.
It's only a paragraph.
Condensation appears when the gas.
Read.
Keep reading out loud, whoever was reading. Occurs. Keep reading. I said a paragraph. I ain't said a sentence. Often. That's that word again. Occurs. Particles. Touch. I said it's a paragraph. No, ma'am. Keep going, Clouds. Vapors. All right, very good. So dew forming on grass is an example of condensation. Is this statement true or false? True, because why is that true? Why is that true? We just read it. Why is it true? You supposed to be reading along with him as he was reading aloud. Why is it true is that when water vapor particles touch a cold surface and their temperature drops, that is why it's true. Condensation occurs when water vapor particles touch a cold surface and the temperature drops. Water vapor, the clouds, water vapor, when it touch a cold surface, such as the blades of grass, baby, it's not a yes or no. It said a true or false. That's why we're sitting here doing this, babe. Statement is true because water vapor particles touch a cold surface and their temperature drops. Look at number 6. Look at the illustration. What causes the phase change of water shown in the illustration? What do you think? Now I got in my beaker, I got these particles that are standing still. And then all of a sudden, they're doing that. So number 6, guess what? That's your assignment. I'm taking your grade based off of number 6 only. Number 6 only. So that means you either going to get a 0 or you gonna get a 100. And that's a very easy thing to look at, especially with Miss Adams doing all that jumping. Oh my goodness, she was jumping. So
Can you show me the science book again?
who asked that? Isaiah?
Mm-hmm.
You need to see my science book. What page?
The page you just looked at with plasma on it.
That page there.
Yes, ma'am. All right, I got the answer.
Got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
I like you, Isaiah. I like you. Hey, baby, so I just need to see that page one more again. I got it. Check your notes, though. It's in your notes. Moving on. Chapter 1, lesson 4. Chapter 1, lesson 4, starting on page 29. Starting on what page? 29. 29. Starting with number 1. But guess what? We're not doing number 1. Number 1 would be your grade. Number 1, 2, and 3 is your grade for this page. So you miss 1, you got a D of 66. You missed 2, you got a 33. Yeah. You got a 0. Yeah, that's enough. Let's look at number 4. Tell if the statement is true or false and explain your choice. Salt is a solute in seawater. So I need to first know what is a solute, right? Can somebody tell me what page I can find that on?
22.
I can find solute on 29. I can.
Sierra said 32.
Very good, Sierra and Alfredo. I found the word salute on page 32. So since we find it on page 32, Mr. Rios, read to us very loudly, what is salute? What is a salute? No, that's not a salute. That's a solution. Salute. S-O-L-U-T-E, salute. What is a salute? Please don't point to wrong things for him. Can somebody help him? Donovan, talk loud. Donovan. Nope, those examples. I said, what is salute? In seawater. Excuse me, Sugar Lump. What did you find? Read it then. No, you still didn't find it. You still didn't find it. That's not it. I don't know. I'm frustrated. I don't know. Come on, Jakiria. I know you know. Jakiria. In a solution, the substance that is dissolved is called the solute. Salt in a solute in seawater. Is that true or false? It is true because a solute is a substance that dissolved in a solvent. That's what she just read. The solute is the substance that is dissolved in a solvent. So that is true. If you look at your book and you can write your answer true on the line, this statement is true because, and then you go back to a solute is a substance that is dissolved in a solvent. Okay, ready to move on? Are we ready to move on?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Because nobody else speak. I got to move when people talk to me. Number 5, all mixtures are solutions. All mixtures are solutions. Is that true or false?
False.
False. Why? Why?
Because they copying off of other people's answers.
Because they copying on other people's answer.
Mhm.
Oh, Lord. Why is it false?
Tremont said because some mixtures are solids.
Yeah. But that's not what I'm looking for. Why is it mixtures are not solutions?
Some mixtures do not go together.
All right. I like what you're thinking. Let's expound on your thinking. When you say go together, they do not what? They do not blend. They don't fit.
They do not blend like liquid.
They are not spread out evenly. They do not spread out evenly. And it will settle at the bottom. It'll settle at the bottom. If I had my bottle of water and I poured water in here, would that float or would it settle? That would settle. It wouldn't spread out. It wouldn't blend in with the water. But yesterday when I put the Alka-Seltzer in there, it did what?
It blended in. It dissolved.
It dissolved into the water. That's what it did. It dissolved into the water by floating. So I'm not going to say you was wrong when you said floating, but it dissolved into the water by floating. Okay, y'all with me?
Yes, ma'am.
So all mixtures are not solutions because some mixtures, they are substances that do not spread out evenly and they will settle at the bottom. Like if I was to put sand in water, would that be a mixture or would that be a solution? Sand and water. Because you know a mixture, we just said what a mixture is. A solution is when it dissolves evenly. So
Solution.
dissolve evenly with water.
Solution.
Somebody saying what? What are we saying?
Solution.
Okay, somebody saying a solution.
Me, Isaiah.
Solution.
Some of my guys were saying mixture.
Some people saying mixture. And if you said mixture, ding, 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 you are correct. Because when you put water and sand,
it dissolves.
Settles at the bottom. You can stir it up all day. But once it get through whirling around, them sand particles doing this, falling down and settling at the bottom of the cup. That's all it's gonna do, settle.
Oh, yeah,
So
they do.
Settling,
When they get soft, it just go to the bottom.
it goes to the bottom. When it's settled, that's a mixture. What about oil and water? Is that a solution or a mixture?
That's hard. You said boiling water?
Water and oil.
Oh.
Solution.
Y'all think it's solution. Now remember, solution, everything spreads out and dissolves evenly, right? Because oil and water don't what? They don't mix. Oil and water don't mix. You can stir it all day long, but guess what's going to happen? That oil is going to rise back up to the top. It's going to rise up back to the top. So tomorrow we might just have a little quick pop quiz on solution and mixtures. I think we're going to do that tomorrow. Solutions and mixtures. So y'all have to watch the camera very carefully tomorrow. So what I want you to do this few times, I want you to do 1, 2, 3, and number 6. If you had a bucket that contained a mixture of sand and seashells, how might you use the physical properties of the seashells to separate them from the sand? And remember the 4 ways or 5 ways you have to separate things. You separate through color, texture, So there you go. You're doing 1, 2, 3, and number 6. If by chance you do not finish this today, you need to see me. And virtual, I'm going to put it in Savas so you can go in and do yours through Savas Realize. If it's not already out there, I'm going to put it out there for you today. Are there any questions?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Miss Adams.
Yes. Yes. Baby.
I don't
We
like
still can't get on spot.
like when we tried to get on Savaz yesterday,
Uh-huh.
it
Uh-huh.
wouldn't let me. It wouldn't let me get on.
get
It kept saying something about like incorrect password and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
mine was saying the same thing.
You're always saying the same thing. Who said that? Isaiah. Okay, and who's Holland? Yours was saying the same thing.
Yeah, ma'am.
And Isaiah. Now remember, those are lowercase. It's lowercase Abrams 15.
We
Yes,
did.
ma'am.
We put that in. It ain't
And-
work. We tried.
And
We
that
tried
didn't work.
capital and lowercase, and it ain't work.
Okay, I'm gonna redo your little code for you. Okay.
Hey, Isaiah, I tried that as soon as I got here this morning on my computer and it went straight into you. Exactly. The password and username I gave you yesterday, all lowercase, and it opened right up to your account.
So Isaiah, go back and try yours again. And let me see
You
Holland.
want to make sure it's all lowercase. So if you're signing in on a phone, it automatically puts it uppercase. So you have to change that.
I logged in on my school tablet, and they ain't let me.
You try to get where?
I said I logged in on my school tablet, and it ain't let me go in.
Who is that talking? Because I'm not looking anymore.
Holland.
Holland. Okay, Holland, guess what? Miss Adams is finna stop sharing on this computer, and I'm finna share on this computer. Holland, I want you to write your password down.
Yeah, ma'am.
All right, hold on, because something looking crazy. Eek. Mercy, I want that gone. Okay, good. Go away. Go away, please. Please. Miss Adams, what? Okay. Holland, you see yours up here? Your HO Panthers 1. You see that?
Okay, I'm gonna write that down.
Please. I sent that to you. Everything
We
lowercase.
tried it, and it didn't let us.
Huh? You did it
We
and
said
it
we
wouldn't
tried
let you.
that, but it didn't let us.
Okay,
Yeah,
but it's HO Panthers 1.
You can show me mine.
And then your password is everybody's password Abrams 15.
Okay.
That's not.
Okay. So who is
Okay.
that? Can you show me? Isaiah?
Yes,
Isaiah
ma'am.
D. Davis. All right, Isaiah, you I Davis 201.
Yes, ma'am.
I Davis 201.
Yes, ma'am.
lowercase letters. Are you
You don't worry about yours. Carter, you're M. Carter 3304. What I told you about I ain't on the street. Who is what's mine? Who asking that? Mari Cheney, you Cheney 2016. Cheney 2016. McQueen. Oh Lord, we're not finna go through this. What's me? Check your card. You're D McQueen 6085. It's D McQueen. I ain't spell your name. I ain't got nothing to do with that now. I just found your name. All right. Are there any questions?
No, ma'am.
Everybody try to get that, and I'm going to go in and put in your lesson 1, chapter 1, lesson 3, and chapter 4. If it's not already in there, I'm thinking it's already there, but in case it's not, I'm finna put it in Savas now. So y'all get started on your work, turn in your assignments.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure y'all hit submit so those papers can come in and type on the page so I can see it, guys.
Miss Adams, I got one more question.
Yes.
Can you send me the 2 papers for my science project?
Send you the 2. You can't get into Schoology?
I can't.
Yes, ma'am. Ask her where it is.
Where is it?
It's if you go into Schoology, it's going to say science project. Watch my screen. Watch my screen as soon as I find Schoology. See, when you get into section 1, as soon as you log in, you're gonna see, oh, yes, this is what you're gonna, no, this ain't what is this?
Show, flip your screen on and show Miss Adams there.
Hold on. There it is right there. Once you log in, you're gonna see 5th grade Miss Adams class information, parent meeting. Make sure your parents come tonight. 50 points.
Miss
Science quiz right here. Is that it? That's not it. Hold on, baby. Miss Adams losing her mind. Be quiet, y'all. Wait a second. If I'm helping a student, can I help you? No.
brother. Okay. Miss Adams.
Okay, go to science class. Yes.
I just put in the password stuff. It say I'm gonna show you. It say incorrect, and I'm finna press go.
For Savant, did you
Yes,
put in
ma'am.
Abrams 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Type it in right there so she can watch you do it. That way.
You ain't got to. You said you did it, so hold on.
I don't know why we're having so much.
Osborne. He's Osborne.
Colin, did you make sure it's a lowercase?
I'm finna reset your password. So
Yeah,
don't
ma'am.
worry.
It's lowercase.
Yes, ma'am, with a YES.
I'm finna change your password.
Okay.
No, clear that and try to.
Your
Are
Abrams
we in the
15.
right?
There it is. Your password has been reset to Abrams 15. Make it Hop Anthers 1. Yes, baby.
Okay, put Abrams 15.
Put your mask down and talk to me. She can't log on at work. She can't have it on her phone, log on at work. So you giving your mama excuses.
Yay!
Yay! You know my Zoom account, right? You know my Zoom account number. That's what you log on to. My Zoom account number. So no excuses. I don't accept them. So don't try to give me none.
I got it now, Miss Adams.
Very good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I ain't give you no charger. The school gave you a charge. You need to talk to the school about that, not Miss Adams. No, it's for classwork. I said if you don't finish your work, you're gonna have to see me. Both number 6 and on lesson 4, 1, 2, and 3.
I'm gonna send you my work.
Huh?
I'm gonna send you my work.
Yeah, he been out there all week. Okay. Okay, guys, y'all don't have any questions for me? Y'all good? Miss Darby room, are y'all good?
We don't got no.
I see a thumbs up, so that
I'm
means.
good. I don't got no questions.
No, ma'am.
Huh?
No, ma'am.
I said I'm good. I don't got no more questions.
Very good. Making sure you can log in, see how simple it is. When you got problems, we can just go and fix it right then. And we won't have no more problems. Change that password up. So
Okay.
I will see y'all. I'm talking, babe. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Thank you. I will see you guys on tomorrow's Friday. Yay, Friday. See y'all on Friday. You will have a little pop. We will have a little quiz in science tomorrow.
Yes,
We're gonna
ma'am.
make a little mess. No, I hope not to make a mess, but we're gonna play with some stuff tomorrow.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
gonna play with it. Y'all just gonna watch me play with it. So. But see y'all later. Enjoyed you. Love you. Make sure you do your work. Turn your work in. Text
Bye.
the picture if you need to text a picture. Okay.